Supreme Court denies request to suspend public charge rule for immigrants during pandemic. Washington. The Supreme Court on Friday denied a request for New York and other states to block the Trump administration's controversial public charge rule during the coronavirus pandemic. The rule makes it more difficult for immigrants to obtain legal status if they use public benefits such as Medicaid, food stamps, and housing vouchers. Earlier in the term, a 5-4 court said the rule could go into effect nationwide while legal challenges played out, but the states had asked the justices to reconsider that decision, given the implications of the virus. The court denied the request with no noted dissents. New York, Connecticut, Vermont, and New York City asked the justices to block the rule nationwide, arguing that while they are trying to stop the spread of coronavirus, the government's rule is deterring some immigrants from accessing health care and public benefits that are essential tools for protecting the public at large by limiting the spread and severity of the virus. Such narrow and temporary relief is warranted, New York Attorney General Letitia James argued. In the petition, James provided examples of the impact of the rule on immigrants. A physician in Connecticut has spoken with patients who had symptoms consistent with COVID-19, James wrote, but were afraid to obtain COVID-19 testing or seek treatment due to concerns about the public charge rule and fears that they could not afford to pay for treatment. She said the unwillingness for immigrants to come forward jeopardized their safety, but also the public at large. Immigrants who lack testing and treatment are also more likely to spread the virus to other people inadvertently, contributing to the current exponential growth of infection rates and fatalities, she said. A county in Illinois and immigrant rights groups in the state also asked the Supreme Court to reconsider its decision. The two cases had been on separate tracks. In court papers, the Trump administration told the justices to reject the request in the New York case. Government lawyers argued that after the president declared a state of emergency, the administration issued guidance that took targeted steps to address the issue. Click subscribe to receive the latest news.